Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are going to do a high plank with a band. So not much to it, but we are going to have a very light band around our forearms, and we are just going to come into our high plank. So we're going to make sure that our shoulders, elbows, and wrists are all stacked in one line. We're nice and engaged through our midline here, which includes our hips and our quads. We're also going to be squeezing our glutes in that position. So a very flat body. Spread your fingers. Spread your fingers when you plank because your fingers help you balance. So flexed quads, squeezing my glutes. Feet are together. There might be a couple inches between your feet, but shoulders, elbows, wrists all stacked, making sure that we are really pushing the ground away so we're not sinking down through our shoulders. We're puffing up through our upper back. We're not letting our hips sag down. We're not pushing our hips up in the air either. But we've got a nice straight line. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your abs, press the ground away.